Tech in 2 minutes. I'm Ross Hurley, this is EM360 and welcome to another episode of Tech in 2 minutes where I explain complicated subjects in the tech industry in just 2 minutes. Today's topic is on edge computing. This is my timer and I believe it's going to start now. In the tech industry, it's common to get so used to hearing buzzwords that the words begin to lose all meaning. Examples are machine learning, cloud, AI, essentially technology that becomes so loose as a concept that it becomes hard to figure out what it means, even if the essence of the tech is vital for progression. The latest is edge computing, and as opposed to cloud computing, edge computing is a tech methodology that essentially works to bring computation closer to the user. In a traditional cloud database, your device would send or receive data from one singular data center that's universally accessible for all users. Now imagine if you're in Sao Paulo and your data center is in Tokyo. You want to stream a video, so first your device has to process what your request is, send the request to the data center in Tokyo, and then that cloud sends your solution back to you. Well, there's a problem here, isn't there? And that problem is latency. So what does Edge do? Well, Edge doesn't necessarily replace your cloud data center, but it sets up a device at the edge of your network, i.e. closer to the end user. So the distance between working in Sao Paulo or Tokyo no longer makes a difference as they're being connected to the nearest edge device, which is potentially in the same city as them. Once data is saved onto the edge device, at that point it can synchronize with other edge devices around the world. So streaming that same video can save a huge amount of time, especially when we apply these to several different micro requests that we're receiving every day. Hours a day are actually saved by simply getting a faster response from an edge device. In short, edge technology isn't only better for the end user, it's better for your business and it saves you money. And that's my timer. I did it again in 2 minutes. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you next time for another episode of Tech in 2 minutes. Remember to follow us on LinkedIn, on Twitter, and at www.em360tech.com.